Namaste yogis. Hope you all are doing well. And how is your practice going on? You always have troubles. And today my topic is concerned with stress, tension, anxiety. So how you can practice one pranayama, which is specifically to reduce, and I would say to come out from that phase of suffering, sorrow, pain, disturbance, and it goes beyond because it has a chain when it links and it goes ahead. So, my topic is Bhastrika Pranayama. So, the pranayama is Bhastrika. In Bhastrika, I will come with the word Bhastrika. Bhastrika is basically you're shaking your system to raise those vibrations by which your energy is active. It channelizes properly, and that's the way you feel sudden effect randomly. You may try, but the main thing is how you keep Bhastrika in a proper version. Because Bhastrika is it has a proper working because when you will revoke that sound, it directly hits those glands. So first we need to know which glands will be affected, and that's why you are having those results. So as I always tell you on this channel, you get that authentic traditional information which is directly from the yoga books, Hatha Yoga Pradipika and Giran Sanhita. I will come back on my topic, Bhastrika, which is so main thing two glands, pituitary and pineal gland, and their roles, if you will understand their roles, and this is the science behind this pranayama. So what you practice, you always need to justify, you need to observe if the working is proper or not, and that's why we focus on that specific practice. Even gurus, they mention to their shishyas, their sadkas, that this is your practice, this is for you. It does not mean that what practice is on me, what I believe, what I follow, that's same for you. We all have different entities. So that's a different chapter, but Bhastrika, I would highly recommend every morning, like your prayer. Basically, what you're praying for, you're praying to that Lord. We are connecting with that Supreme Soul. That's all. So that's the objective of yoga, to connect with it, with that Supreme Soul. And first we need to recognize our soul. I will show you. For Bhastrika, main thing your spine. So in most of the practices, we always say your back needs to be straight. Why? Because of your nerves. They are on the side of your spine. Imagine if my posture is not proper, means my nerves are not opening properly. So first, I need to make my posture correct. So as you're relaxed, the posture could be you can simply cross your legs, which is nice, Sukhasana. Even you may try one leg on the top of the other side. Siddhasana is basically for those practitioners who mainly combine their pranayama with meditation. So please keep in your mind, if you practice half lotus, only one leg is on the other side, so it directly hits your Muladhara chakra, the root channel. So this is the beauty of this asana. You can use for your pranayama, and at the same time you will get the benefits of meditation. So I'm coming back on stress, anxiety, tension with science. How will it happen? As I'm saying, I need to show it. How will it happen? So first my posture, second the alignment, your breathing. So Bhastrika, if you're under some guru, you practice with someone, you will always find they ask you to practice Bhastrika at the end. So this is at the end. Why? Because after pranayama, we are reaching to the state of dhyana, meditation. We are taking our senses away. So this is the preparation. So we practice it when our breathing is calm. So as you will make your breathing calm, you are relaxed, your muscles are without tension. And then you enter to the state of Bhastrika. And for stress, if you know, all your tension is concerned with your nerves, and the root comes from the lower back. Physically, when you feel tired, just to check up, you always feel your lower back very heavy, which is the physical part, and the nerves, because the nerves are connecting with your brain. And that's why the reason is we feel tight, we feel suffocated, we feel no energy. And that's why if our posture is proper, we do this practice. I'm giving you surety. You try it every day. You have extreme level of stress. What Swami Ramdev mentions, practice Bhastrika. You will also find in other yoga teachers, yoga with Kassandra, they also mention that practice that noise. This is a call. So first, we check our breathing. Now we show you for Bhastrika. It's very easy. We will take a deep breath, and with exhalation, what it does, it affects on the throat chakra. It's a very detailed practice. But just to make it short, just to show you the benefits, so directly you can work on your stress level. So as I mentioned, your posture, breathing, normal thing. Very interesting. As I say, you will not find this kind of information on other channels. The thing is, when you are exhaling, you can check the level of your lungs to check, to test how much your lungs are healthy. If your prana is nicely coming through your nasal without disturbing your flow, because we have a natural system, the filtration with your nose, it's not with the mouth. So we make sure we inhale through the nose, we exhale through the nasal, same, but we are checking our prana, how much prana we have been generated. And who is the strong person? Who is the fit person? Who is without difficulties, without sorrow, without tension? Who has been controlled over this prana? So this is also very nice information to keep in your mind. Your prana needs to be gentle. You can check you are angry, you are in so much hyper state of mind in which you are out of control. But suddenly, what someone advises, hey, please be calm, make your breathing deeper. So, as your breathing is deeper, naturally you get that peace. So, try this Vastrika, but I would say proper. You practice it maybe 2 times, 3 times, 5 times, as much as possible, but try in a proper sequence, proper posture, and proper working. This is so powerful. I will also bring that video maybe in my next video, that with Bhastrika, how can you reach, how can you hit, how can you touch that level of meditation? So very interesting. And if you remember, I mentioned in between, this pranayama is practiced at the end. At the end. Why? Because after that there is nothing left. We directly reach to our objective. And objective is to enter in that deep state of peace. But that peace is inside. It's nowhere. We just look here or there. It's inside. If you have queries, always ask. Please write your comments. Ask. Because when you ask, then the things they come out, new ideas they generate. And I'm always available to help you, to support you, to see you growing. So please don't hesitate to ask questions. And if you like the video, I would say don't hesitate to press that like button. Press it, put the comments, and share the video to those people who are looking for that guidance, that help. And please subscribe the channel so you never miss this authentic yoga information. Thank you for watching. Namaste.